Hello, everybody. Darren Kittleson here. Hey, got a really great, valuable database touch that doesn't cost your customers anything, but would could save them a lot, and that is an ability to uh, to monitor potential fraud with regard to any real estate or property holdings that they have in the state of Wisconsin. And this is a service that's provided by the county clerk's offices or by the counties that are participating, if you will. And it's really simple. If you just have them go to propertyfraudalert.com, so just have them type in propertyfraudalert.com. This is a map that'll pop up. You can see Wisconsin is one of the states that's participating with this company. And whatever county they own property in, they'll want to register in every county that they have property in. So let's say it's Dane County, and they can register not only in their name, they can also do it in businesses' names. And this is to prevent mortgage fraud or identity theft crimes, which are on the rise. So just this would be a very valuable touch. So I'm just going to show you how to do it. So they go here. They chose Dane County. That's what this is. They go to continue, and this is all the fine print about this. They have to say, I agree to the terms and hit continue. And now it can be in English or in Spanish, so that it's either one. It's whether it's a personal name you want to monitor or a business or trust is what you choose next. So you can see if it's a business or trust, you type that name in. Well, let's go do this in the name of a business then. That I've got to monitor that. So we'll just go the opposite way. So I just chose business, and we'll see if this works. Type out the business DBA that I have, just in case that's how it gets recorded. So again, there's no cost to any of those. I chose text. Again, I could choose check, text, email, or voice call. I chose text. Going to type in my mobile number. Type in my mobile number. And let's see if... Oh, I didn't match. I forgot to make that plural, which it is. There we go. Now we got that matching. There we go. Now this is the screen that you get at the end. So they recommend you print this out so you got it for your records. But here's an 800 number if you have any issues. And there's also an FAQs page on there that says, answers a lot of questions people may have. So they could go there too. But again, if I were you, I would do this for everything you could think of. Someone could be using your identity for fraudulently, specifically mortgage notes, anything that has to do with real property, but also any other sort of identity theft. And again, great database touch. Thanks for watching.